All right, and we're back here at the Global Decor Center, the home of our kitchens. So it's Trini Cooks Thursdays. It's Christmas Eve. Shurwayne Winchester is here with us this morning. Shurwayne, you're a meat man?
Yeah.
You love meat. You love meat.
I love meat.
Not everybody loves meat.
Yeah, that's true.
Christmas is about pork and ham and lamb and jam.
And you know, I don't like pork.
You
but
don't
all
like
the
pork?
other meat, yeah.
Right.
And you see that? Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, of course.
So what I found is that because not everybody loves meat, what we decided to do this morning, as we prepare to celebrate the holidays, the Christmas holidays, not everybody will engage in pork and ham and lamb and jam.
So we're giving them the
We're
option.
giving them an option.
Very good.
We give them an option.
I love that.
We're doing a curry and herb spiced baked salmon.
Wow.
It's baking in the oven just behind us. Just like if you're smelling it there, it's baking in the oven.
That's what I was talking
But
about.
we're going to show you what we're going to do. So I just need to do one thing before we start to cook.
Okay.
I have to do a little disclaimer.
Go ahead.
Yeah? My name is Joel Villafano. I am not a chef. But I can roll out a recipe from trinicooks.com and Shurwayne and I may have something to eat by the end of the show.
I agree.
Are you a chef?
We all dabble in little things. So when it comes to you preparing for yourself, yes. But on the level as a professional, no.
No. But I am a professional recipe follower.
And I'm following you.
I'm going to start. We're going to prepare the salmon. This is a lovely full fillet of salmon. And I'm just going to try to get, what I'm going to do is just cut off this little edge here so I can probably get some nice, neat fillets, right? Bam.
Yes.
One nice big fillet. Going down here again, boom, 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 boom. 2 fillets. Sure enough, this piece is mine. See like your piece, you know? See like your piece. There's some fellas outside there that are watching hard, you know.
That's it. Look at the color, man.
Yeah. I love salmon. And one of the reasons I love salmon, we're going to go with these 4. So you can cut, we'll go with these 4. One of the reasons I love salmon too is that it takes any flavor you put there. Mm-hmm. Salmon just absorbs the flavor and gives it back to you in a lovely way. Our spices, our curry spices. And
it doesn't take a long time for it to draw the seasoning, right?
It doesn't. We've had this set marinating overnight.
Okay.
But yeah, you could just whip this up in no space of time, push it in the oven, and you're good to go. What we're gonna do is simple: salt, pepper. I have the salt somewhere. Yeah, salt. So I'm salting. Right. One of the things that pepper.
Nice.
One of the things that I learned over the years following recipes and watching some professionals cook is that there's 2 sides to the meat and the 2 sides to the fish. Sometimes so you mix, yeah. So you season both sides, right? Salt and pepper liberal there.
And you could decide on the amount of salt and pepper you wish to use.
You can, because
according to your dietary needs.
That's right. You don't have to over salt because yes, some people have some dietary needs. What you're going to do for me is, this is a lovely spice mixture.
I like the color.
Curry powder, our curry powder. This is jeera. We have turmeric, smoked paprika, coriander, and some masala.
Okay.
All this basically, just pull it together for me. Just
mix it all together.
Just mix it all together, all in one.
Yeah,
all in one. While you do that, I'm going to get the lime happening here. You're dealing with fish, so
nice lime on that.
Get the lime happening. I want both sides. This is an exercise. You just have to keep, not interfere with the fish too much, but you want to get both sides happening.
Turn this a little more. Make sure I get all in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, how does that look?
Oh, you look. You're looking good there.
Man.
You look good there.
What's that color?
So here what we're doing now. We coating. So we literally, we coating. We want to get the mixture all over.
Oh,
So
smell that.
yeah, you smell any flavor. So imagine when this starts to get happy and become one with the fish, one with the salmon. You know what going on is showing.
Action.
There's no better way to cook than to use it.
We still have to turn it over to do the same
thing? Yeah. You understand?
Yes.
Both sides. Nice curry mixture. Now you can play with the curry flavors they're using here as well, because you could use
spoon or,
use the spoon.
Let me that's
Yeah.
there that we're talking about.
And yes.
Pinch in a little bit more. Just throw it on your face?
Yeah. Give me a nice roll here. Yeah. Yeah, go down the road with that there.
What are we talking about?
Yeah. What you cook? Last time TriniCooks.com did an interview with you, you say you had a famous bake that you used to do. You're still doing that bake?
What do you mean?
You talked about it before, you're still baking that bake?
When you make that bake, that's it, you know?
Yeah. That's a coconut bake or
That's it. But not the coconut bake where they have the chip of the coconut in it. You grate the coconut, squeeze the milk out,
right,
and then you apply that.
Oh. Right. So that's the coconut. The coconut milk.
The juice of it.
Juice of the coconut.
I don't like the coconut chip in it.
Right. That's your specialty, or that's a big thing?
I got that from my dad. That's his specialty, but it works great.
Serious?
Yeah, and it's quick to make.
All right. So what we're gonna do, Shurwayne, is basically some green seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
There's just some good old Trinbagonian green seasoning. Just add to it there a little to give it a little extra flavor. When it bakes, it will all come together. Chive and lovely stuff in there. I have some peppers. Now, you could use, this is ready for color and impact. This is basically some sweet peppers.
Okay, good.
That I'm just going to sprinkle here as well. You see, I had put some green, put some big green, the ones, these. Put them across there for me. Yeah, just sprinkle them liberally like that. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Onions. Yeah, ba-da-da-da.
Soaking that seasoning.
Yeah, nice. You're smelling how all the flavors coming together. So far, that's when they hit the oven. Now, guys, this is a Waitrose product that you can get exclusively at Massey stores. It's pearl onions. It's basically sweetened onions. You can literally throw one of this in your mouth and eat it.
Yeah?
That's no joke.
Okay.
You'll try it off here. If you like onions, not everybody likes onions, but if you like onions, it's basically a sweetened onion. And this just will give it that little extra, a little different flavor. So you don't want too much of it, but you want just a little sprinkling of it. You get it directly.
You could use that sauce as well?
You can use it because, smell.
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's good to use. Right? This here, you bake this.
Presentation.
Yeah. Bake this for 10 to 15 minutes, and this is ready to serve. Ready to serve. What we're going to do is, just before we push it in the oven, because we have one happening in the oven as we speak, but we want to just pull together a quick potato salad to go with it. Christmas time, people usually have potato salad with beets.
Yes, the beetroot.
I think that's just a Trinbagonian thing.
Get that in there.
That's a Trinbagonian thing. The good thing about this actually is that you have the same Waitrose product that you can use ready to make beets. This is, you could just, if you don't want to boil the beets and cut up the beets, this is pickled beets.
And you're good to go.
And you're good to go. But we're using the beets today. So you're tossing that in here for me, Shurwayne. You're pulling together this for me.
Yes.
So we have boiled potatoes. We already have a lovely mix of mayonnaise and mustard and some seasonings happening in there. Right? Yeah.
I'll mix up this and I'll show you the rest.
Nice, man. But you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
You make a potato salad already? Nice. Right.
Mix that in.
So you're using the cuisine corn and the cuisine peas and carrots across there as well.
Add that in there.
Add that in there. For some nice color.
Put your corn.
Yes.
It's in there.
The perfection that Shurwayne doing this thing, which is amazing. So while he's pulling this potato salad together, because
you put in all?
Yeah, put in all. So we're not adding the beets.
Yeah, go ahead.
Adding the beets.
And then throwing the rest of the corn.
Adding the beets. The beets is what makes it Christmas. The beets is what makes it Christmas. So we went seafood for Christmas. Many people want their ham, lamb, and jam, and pork and so on, but not everybody eats pork, ham, lamb, and jam. So you had to cater for everybody. And this is a fancy salmon, curry spiced herb salmon that you can get the recipe right on trinicooks.com. Showing it put together the potato salad with beets that will go with this salmon. Okay, when we come back, folks, we will taste up Shurwayne Winchester in the building. He putting down this potato salad like he know exactly what he's doing. We coming right back. This is Trinity Cooks Thursday here on A Cup of Joe. When we come back, we taste up with Shurwayne Winchester. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
No.
Yeah.